We have this, again, unique and interesting design going on this Rike knife. This is the Rike Cybertrix. Rike Cybertrix. What interesting knife we have here. So first things first, the designer on this one took inspiration from the Cybertruck. That's why it looks like the Cybertruck. That was completely intentional. And it's very geometrically, you know, oriented, all kinds of lines everywhere. I dare you to find a curve on this knife anywhere, if at all. If you can. But yeah, it's all lines everywhere. That's intentional. It is a liner lock, and you can deploy it with your thumb stud or thumb ramp, or reverse flick it if you want. Either way, both just equally as satisfying and very drop shotty. You have titanium on the scales. It does have liners, recessed liners on the inside. And you have a beautiful M390 blade going on here. This one's also a limited run. It is number 151 from that badge. And there is the Rike and D-Links logo right there. That is the designer. So yeah, very interesting knife. Again, this is not going to be a knife. A lot of these knives in this list, you know, it definitely has a lot of cool points to add to the scale, but you know, again, the whole point is not to, you know, pretend like these are the go-to do-all sort of knives. There's so many other knives at a different price point, much more affordable price that you can get, but these are just the unique ones, the ones that have that cool factor, that cool build quality, unique, interesting design. So for knife enthusiasts and collectors, I mean, these are some pretty awesome, rad, pretty cool looking knives, to say the least. So that is, if anything, Rike showing off, Rike and Quechua as sister brands, showing off their capability to manufacture amazing knives with amazing materials, with an overall outstanding overall quality and fit and finish and everything else in between. So hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.